Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how you can remove any green screen with Capcut. It is super easy to do. So first of all, what you need to have open is your Capcut app on your computer. Then you need to import all of your files for your project. Then the green screen, you need to drag this down here to your timeline. From here, you can just click play. It's just the Bobcat for this example. Just gonna scroll this back. Then you need to click on the track or the editing. Then you need to go up here. It should automatically be on basic. You need to go up here to cut out. From here, you need to click chroma key. You need to turn this on, and the color picker down here, just need to click on this and click on the green screen. Then there's two options here. There's strength and there's shadow. The strength is gonna remove the out of space from the green screen, and the shadow is gonna remove the more pixelated sides here. And as you can see here, now I have successfully removed the green screen from Capcut Pro, or from this track here. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!